Before disassembly, please prepare all the tools shown in the picture. iPhone 12 Pro Disassembly Video. Remove the bottom screws. Place the screen face down on the heating pad and heat it for 3 minutes. Use Eagle safety blades. Insert the blade into the right side gap. Press the blade down slowly. Create a gap between the screen and the frame. Insert the removal tool into the gap. Slide slowly along the edge of the back screen. Open the phone toward the SIM card side. Lift the screen upright. Don't raise the screen over 90 degrees. Remove the screws securing the battery connector bracket. Remove the bracket. Use a spudger to disconnect the battery connector. Use a spudger to disconnect the display cable. Remove screws securing the top connection bracket. Remove the bracket. Use spudger to remove the earpiece speaker. Remove the display screen. Apply protective film to the front camera and Face ID assembly. Remove screws securing the rear cameras. Remove the rear camera bracket. Use the spudger to lift the camera connectors. Remove the rear cameras. Apply protective film to the cameras. Remove the SIM card tray. Use a spudger, disconnect the wireless charging coil cable. Disconnect the wave module cable and the LiDAR cable. Use a spudger to disconnect the facial recognition assembly cable. Disconnect the dock connector cable. Remove screws securing the motherboard. Remove the screws that secure the SIM card holder cable to the iron plate. Remove the bracket. Use a spudger to disconnect the cable connecting the power connector and the SIM card holder. Remove the cooling sticker. Disconnect the volume button cable and arrange the cables below the motherboard. Use a tool to lift the motherboard gently. Remove the motherboard. Remove screws securing the SIM slot bracket. Remove the bracket. Remove screws securing the SIM slot. Eject the SIM card holder ejector pin. Remove the SIM card holder. Disconnect the vibrator cable. Remove screws securing the vibrator. Remove the speaker bracket. Remove the speaker. Remove screws securing the vibrator bracket. Remove the vibrator. Remove screws securing the dock connector cable. Remove the bracket for the pressure sensor and mic. Remove remaining screws on the dock cable. Disconnect the pressure sensor and left mic. Disconnect the pressure sensor and left mic, and remove the pressure sensor and left mic. Remove screws securing the tail plug connector. Remove the right microphone. Use a tool to slowly disconnect the dock cable. Remove the dock connector cable. iPhone 12 Pro disassembly completed. Thanks for watching.